Coffee and walnut loaf. For this I'm using 100 grams of unsalted butter, 150 grams of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 heaped teaspoon of instant coffee dissolved in 3 teaspoons of hot water and allowed to cool, 200 grams of plain all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 80 grams of chopped walnuts. First, cream the sugar and the butter. Try not to spill any. Light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time and mix well. Add the coffee to the batter and mix again. Always scrape down the sides when you're mixing. Now add the flour. Give it a mix with a spoon. Sift in the baking powder. It gets lumps, you see. Mix that in until it's nice and smooth. Add the walnuts and mix them in with a wooden spoon. Now put the mixture into a 1 pound loaf tin. Even at the top. Bake for 30 minutes at gas mark for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius, fan convection oven. After half an hour, turn the heat down to gas mark 3, 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 170 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, 150 degrees Celsius, fan convection oven, and bake for another 30 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. And now for the taste test. Oh, very soft, very crumbly. They're quite tasty, but there's not much coffee flavour to them. I think next time I should add more, and also use self-raising flour instead. They didn't rise as much as I hoped. I think coffee buttercream would make these perfect. Yes.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train. train.